Will you go to the beach this weekend?
Yes, I'm planning to. Will you join me?
I'd love to. What time will we leave?
We'll leave around 8 a.m. to avoid traffic.
Will we take your car or mine?
We'll take mine. It's got more space.
What will we do there?
We'll swim and maybe play some beach volleyball.
Will you bring the volleyball?
Yes, I will. Will you bring the sunscreen?
Of course. I'll also bring some snacks.
Great. Will we have lunch there?
Yes, we'll pack a picnic. What will you bring?
I'll make some sandwiches and bring fruit.
Will it be sunny, do you think?
The weather forecast says it will be.
Will we stay for the sunset?
That's a good idea. It'll be beautiful.
Will it be crowded, you think?
It might be, but we'll find a good spot.
Will we meet anyone else there?
I think it'll just be us this time.
Will we return home late?
Not too late. We'll be back by evening.
Will we need to bring extra clothes?
Yes, we'll change before coming back.
Will it be warm enough to swim?
The water will be perfect for a swim.
Will we build a sandcastle?
That sounds fun. We definitely will.
Will you bring a camera?
I'll bring my phone. It takes good photos.
Will we listen to music there?
Yes, I'll bring a portable speaker.
I'm looking forward to it. Will we play any other games?
We'll see. We can also just relax.
It sounds like a perfect day.